Hi guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. I hope you can hear me. I'm not sure, but I really hope so. Um, uh, I'm going to play a little game here. It's going to lag a lot. My computer has been lagging a lot. I'm kind of bad computer. I'm going to play the Death Sentence Arena um, 1.6. And yeah, I guess we should get started. I'm trying to I'm gonna take it easy because I'm a noob. I'm really noob at PvP and stuff. Single player and start the game. Yes, and the texture pack link will be in the description below. This is wait a second. Let me just change the texture pack. So, whoa, that one has knockback. I suck at this. I hate this. I don't even care because I'm gonna die and I hate myself. So, I'm lagging as fuck. So don't expect me to do well at this because I suck at this. Ow, ow. You see, I suck. I am going to change to the default. Yeah. Ow. Okay, that was that round. That was kinda short. 2 minutes. No. Yeah. And I guess you can tell what like thing I'm using to make the thing of the thing. Yeah, I like how I recorded the video. Gonna take text pack. I will be right back in 1 second. Well, now I'm back. I'm lagging as fuck. That's why I've changed the texture pack. The map will also be linked in the description below. And I really suck at PvP, so don't expect me to be so like amazing like other people like Anthony. Whoa. And I'm making a mini game as well. Just gonna stay here in this little spot. Come on. Wait. Okay, I'm back. I changed like only night because it looks tons cooler. It's night. Yeah, I think you guess what I mean. So yeah, bye. And jump here now. Oh, that was close to the fail. I really want to get better at this. That's why I'm doing this. I hope you will like this video. And I'm gonna get pushed off. Oh fuck. Well, uh, well, I guess. I guess. Well, I'm not gonna go with insane hard mode, but you can try that out if for yourself. I'm really trying to get my own mob arena working with command blocks and stuff. So I played with a friend. When I finished it, then you can like play it if you want to. I'm gonna link it in the description of this video when I'm finished. When I'm finished with the map, I'm gonna link it in the description. I'm gonna edit the description. He's invincible if you're wondering. Whoa, that was close. No. He does damage. He does damage. I can tell you. I can tell you that. Oh shit! Yeah, yeah. Why did I say that? Ow! Fuck. Let's see. I suck at this. I hate myself, and I suck at this game because I'm a noob. Yeah, yeah. I really am a noob, aren't I? Because I'm playing on easy. I'm playing on easy because I'm lagging as fuck. Okay, maybe you can see it, but I'm lagging kind of good. I'm not getting any lag spikes. Oh, that's good. So, yeah. It would be cool if this came with a custom texture pack. And I hope you get into my website and download my own texture pack. It's kind of awesome. Ow. Oh. Here's kind of where the diamond guys spawns out. One sprint there, but oh, no, that didn't happen. That was close. Oh, it's running over here. Awesome, 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 awesome. No, 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 no. That guys with the chest on their head, they let's see here. Yeah, that one that killed me, like down there. Yeah, I have Optifine. I could cheat my stuff if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm my own custom Faithful texture. I downloaded the Faithful texture pack and can customize it a little. Yeah, if you want to get that. It's kind of knight armor and stuff. And I'm going to paste a screenshot of the map, the texture pack I'm using there for the screenshot. At the map I'm making, of course, but I guess you could tell what I said then. I thought I said the night only. Huh, said wrong. Ow. I really suck. That's why I'm playing on easy mode because I hate this game. Ow, 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 ouch, ouch, ouch. Like staying in one spot. Ow, fail, fail, fail. Yeah. I'm just gonna sit right here and talk for the rest of the game. I hope you enjoyed it. This video is gonna end soon, like some minutes, like 1 minute. So, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and favorite the video. And I really hope. Oh, next mic. I really hope that you will download my texture packs and stuff. Yeah. Watch more videos. Subscribe. Do awesome stuff. Yeah. Whoa. Didn't see that coming. Yep. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like.